Hello wood turners and makers, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Right guys, this is just an update video on the reason why I've not been about. But if you watch till the end of this, I'm going to put something on there, and it's all the mistakes I've done on the lathe, the wood flying off, so that'll be something to look forward to. And I'm going to now show you what's taking a lot of my time at the minute, why I've not been about. So I'll turn the camera around and show you what we're up to. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the workshop here, and then all this here, as you can see, is all full of ivy. We're taking it down now, getting rid of it. As you can see, then it'll open all the garden up a lot better. So there's all this. This is a good friend, Shell, giving us a chuck on it. Bless her. As you can see, I'm in a load of mess. I've already got a load of bags over there. The Baby's Memorial Garden's now finished. So yes, we're down here. As you can see, I'm in a right state in the garden at the minute. So this is what we're doing, cleaning all my trees down. This is another little place for storing me wet woods put down, but hopefully that will give me a lot more room in my garden, opening it all up, and happy days. I am gonna fence that off, clean that up, but like I says, I will do a little film when it's all completed, and I'll show you what it'll look like. So thanks for being patient for me. Really love all you guys for sticking with me. I do apologise for not putting regular videos up, but believe me, they will be coming in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully I should have all this done and have more time. So anyway, don't forget now, over to the lathe, and I'll leave you with this little video of all the mistakes on the lathe that we cut out during editing. So a couple of balls flying off the lathe and stuff like that. So till the next time, love you guys, bye now. I'm having one of those days today. You see that for a bit of a nice bit of a catch there. No problem. And there. And there we are. That is the other page on the floor. No, that is my 3-piece goblet. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have, please share this around. I forgot what I was going to say.